Hello, my name is Santiago Gómez. I am a student of Software Development and Analysis Technologies of SENA, and this is the evidence GA3 240202501 AA2 EUB02. In this evidence, I am going to describe two problematic situations at work and academic context. Okay, work context. Problem. I am a researcher at the Humboldt Institute, and my boss ordered me to lead a study about the behavioral patterns of the ocelot, Leopardus pardalis. The study is theoretical, so it is necessary to collect information and put it in a database. My work group is made up of an inexperienced intern and a colleague scientist who has a lot of experience in feline research. When we started researching, the intern had no knowledge of how to manage a database. So all the information he collected was uploaded incorrectly. My colleague believes that he has enough knowledge to carry out the study without the need of research, so he didn't help in the development of the database. This lack of synchrony with my coworkers can seriously affect the quality and efficiency of the study. Additionally, my boss could blame me for everything that happens since I am the leader of the group, which would affect my professional career and my permanence in the institute. Solution. I would proceed to talk to my coworkers to let them know my disagreement and establish strategies that allow for better teamwork. In the case of the intern, I would ask him to take a basic course on database management, or if he has any questions, he can ask me or my colleague. In the case of my colleague, I would tell him that despite his experience in feline research, it is necessary to collect all the necessary information so that we all have the same knowledge basis and can be as up to date as possible on the subject of the study. Academic context. Problem. My friend and I have to prepare an oral presentation of the final project to pass the subject of software analysis and development. My friend collaborate very little in the writing part of the work, so I told him that he should help me much more in the oral presentation. During the month of preparation, my friend never showed up and left all the work to me. A day before the presentation, my friend showed up again. This academic situation is problematic since my colleague knows absolutely nothing about what we have to present. So if they ask him something, it is very likely that he will answer wrongly. Therefore, since the grade of the work depends on the performance of both, my grade could be affected and we may not pass the subject. Solution. I would talk to my friend and ask for an explanation for his absence. In case his reasons are compelling, I would ask him to go together to talk to our instructor to mention the situation and request the postponement of the oral presentation. In the same way, I would ask my friend that from now on he should tell me in advance his reasons for being absent. This is in order to have better communication and coordination to develop academic activities. In case his reasons are not adequate, I would personally speak with the instructor to mention the little academic commitment of my friend and request to present the presentation individually.